Hello guys, Coach Ndesh here. Today is on Sunday, 13th February, and usually you need to analyze the charts before markets are on. So for me, this is the best time to analyze the charts to know where the market is going tomorrow and what happened this week and where the market is headed even a long term. So basically, I want to do it very fast. I want to show you what I think about gold, where the market is headed. There's something I've seen on monthly time frame. You can see this is a monthly time frame, and I realized one thing. There is a pattern that is forming on a monthly time frame, and you can see here the market was on higher highs here, and then this market came down and it formed something. This is a pattern. If you want to know about the pattern, you can go and confirm from Google. This is a cap and handle pattern, and usually this is a continuation pattern. The moment this market will finish forming this handle, it will definitely break upside because it is a continuation pattern. If the market was on a downtrend and it forms it upside down, the cap upside down, it means the downtrend will still continue. So for this one, this is on higher highs. This is an uptrend, so the market will definitely break higher. That is on monthly, and that is what we expect for gold. So some few days, few months to come, gold will be really on higher highs because we have seen that pattern. You can see that. You can look at your charts and confirm this again. It is this way, and this is how you identify it. So right now it is still forming the handle, and if we go to weekly, you can see very clearly we are forming this handle. The market is forming that handle. That is the handle. The moment the market will break that handle, it will definitely go up because it's a continuation pattern. So that is it. That is long term. That is where the market is headed on long term for gold. You can see this is still the cap. That is on weekly, and now that is the handle which you are forming here. Okay, now a very quick one. Let's look at 4 hours. Let's look at daily first. Daily, the market is still forming the handle, like I told you. The handle, the market is still forming the handle. So we will wait for those who are doing a higher time frame. They will wait, but still, there's so many trades you can make. It doesn't mean that you can't take trades. It's only that this will tell you where the market is headed in long term. And there is something someone asked me: how would you catch this move here? They're like, how would you catch this move here? So let me show you. Go back to a lower time frame. Always you analyze the market with higher time frame because that's where you know where the market is headed. Then after that, you come back to lower time frame to get your entries. You can see here it's like the market has broken that high here, and this is the next high. Once it is broken, maybe we'll be looking for more buys upward. That is on daily time frame. But how would you get this move? Let's come. Very simple strategy I want to show you. Let's go to 15 minutes. You can see that is it on 15 minutes. So the only thing we need to do is to get let's do this. Let's look for a support come resistance, and I can see we have something here. Why have I done it there? This one you could easily get this move. Let's zoom it in. So what you see here, we have this area. We have this area. The market has obeyed that area, and here we have this area and this area. These were resistance areas, but market came and used the same resistance too as support. So this tells you that the market now is starting. It was a resistance here, but now the same resistance, the market went all the way up and came all the way down to test that as support. came back again to test as support. So if you wanted to join this market, it could be very simple. You would have simply done this. Just come, get that. This is it. You can see it. So we pull it all the way back. We pull it all the way back. Let's try to minimize it a bit. Let's try to minimize it down. So you can see the market had, we had a resistance here, resistance there, and that is our zone. And the same resistance, when the market broke up, it went all the way up and came down again and made it a support. Then the second time it did a support. And that was a very good reason for you to buy. Look here. The best entry you could have bought here, because that is a support. Very simple, easy strategy. Support, resistance becomes support, and so resistance you're supposed to sell, but now once it comes support, you simply buy. So the market confirmed this as a support. Actually, the first time it was a resistance here, but now it is support here. It went and confirmed again the second time, which you have to buy again. And that's how you could get the entire move all the way up. So most of the time, it will come to here. Let me show you. This is how the market will always behave. Next week, this is the best area. That is the best area. What do I mean? Market came up, went down, up, down, then it went up. This is base, then up again. So market will come and either test this, go back up, or it will come up to this area. And that is the possibility, because what happens, market has to come and fill these two candles. It will come down and fill these two candles. You watch out for what is going to happen next week. It will come back and fill these two candles. So there's a possibility this market will reverse from here again for higher highs again. So we'll be coming here, because that is another base for the rally. The market will come there again. That is a possibility. So that is the first scenario, where market will come here, proceed up, but most likely it will come here before it will bounce either here, go back up like that. But that is what the market is going to do. So let's watch out for next week. When you're looking for trades, just know that market has to come and sorry.